What is schema and why is it important? Search engines like Google utilize schema markup to better understand images, products, and content on your website. This is important for search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo so that when a user searches for your product or service, they can serve up in search results the most relevant landing page from your website. Before machine learning came into play in 2011, search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo created a language to help search engines quickly grasp the most relevant content, image, or products from your website to serve those results in front of new or returning users. This language, if incorporated on the back end of your site, will immediately help your overall traffic from organic, as well as your click-through rate from prospective users. This language, again, allows these search engines to quickly understand and grasp content from your website and serve it up in search results. Why is this important for SEO in 2020? You may have heard of featured or rich snippets or even position zero. So Google, Bing, and Yahoo are now understanding questions that visitors are searching for in Google and want local websites to be a part of those conversations. If Google can better understand images, content, and products from your website will see more activity in those featured snippet results on the first page of Google, thus increasing your organic presence as well as click-throughs from visitors looking for the product or service that your website has. Thank you for tuning in, and you can learn more at guardianoutdigital.com.